Meet Bria, a product manager whose opinions are often questioned and dismissed by those around her. She's not taken seriously because her team members are focused on the wrong things. She has probably been thinking what to do, how to manage the situation, where to go, and what direction she can lead her team to. Every day, we see all sorts of discourses online where developers talk down on product managers and product managers supporting their cause. You might be wondering why the stakeholders are cheering you on, but your team doesn't seem to be in sync. Try feedback, speak your team members' languages. The thing is, engineers trust data, designers trust empathy, and founders trust results. All you have to do is stop being a product manager giving opinions and start being the product manager who helps everyone do their best work. If you're new here, welcome to That Product Girl channel. So excited about having you on here. Please like That Product Girl channel videos, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also share so other people can see this video. As a product manager, it might be discouraging being in the same space with a team that doesn't see a need of you. You don't need a massive launch from your team to earn respect. Be credible. Measure areas of wins in that week or period of managing your team and your product. Visualizing the end goal for the product may be all the team members need to understand. Most team members are curious why certain things happen. A way to bounce back as a product manager when your role is doubted is by focusing on demonstrating value by improving communication, showing transparency and explaining to your team the why behind decisions. A common question I have been asked in multiple interviews about how to deal with developers, engineers, designers, and technical leads, about them who do not see product managers as technical overseers. And I would say my perfect response would be to understand their world, ask for help, because this removes the us versus them walls and it builds respect within the team. If everyone understood the values of product managers, you would be managing a checklist, not a product. Your real superpower is bringing clarity, structure, and empathy where others see chaos. That's leadership, not a title. So I got this word from one of the most intelligent product managers I know out there, where she said, create an autonomous team. In this team, with or without your presence, things should work because as a product manager, you guide the interest of the product and the interest of your company's goal. Let others lead. Each team member should know what they are responsible for to drive a successful product. Allow team members to take ownership and even fail sometimes. That is how they will grow and improve. When people don't see the need for product managers, it is not rejection. The truth is, product managers who adapt, listen, and build with users in mind will always find their place. The role isn't disappearing, it's evolving. So don't step back, it's time to level up. As we have gotten to the end of this video, don't forget to put on your notifications so you can get updated on more videos from That Product Girl channel. See you again. Thank you for watching this video.